how are you today? So pack with me my Kissbobo wearable breast pump. I haven't used this before, so I'm really quite excited. So it's a little like suitcase pouchy thingy like this. It comes with a lot of things. I didn't show you the unboxing video, sorry about that. So I'm just gonna try to assemble a couple of things for you to see so that you can see, because I intend on breastfeeding as well as expressing, because I'm a working mom, right? So we're gonna make it work. So pardon me if I am going to be making some errors, because I got a whole lot of things in my in my basket. I was washing so many things here, so just trying to make sure I get everything out. So let's see. All right. You see, you have to learn a whole lot of different things about motherhood. I've got some bottles. We're gonna use the Tom TP bottles, the other mom bottles, but I just washed a handful that I'll be taking. These are milk collectors, so we don't waste anything. You can wear them. And then these ones, I haven't used them before as well. I've just washed these as well, brand new. They are the nipple shields to prevent the cracking. You know, as the baby latches on, sometimes it can be quite painful. So you've got these that help you with it's got 19 millimeters, I think 21. I have them somewhere, so I can't really tell. So you stick this in here, and then you start putting the silicone thing here. Quite a bit to learn, huh? So let's see. This is easier when you're looking at it on pictures and you're like, oh, I got this, I'm ready, I can do this. And then when you have to assemble everything, then you realize it takes up quite a bit of time. All right, so I'm just trying to insert it so that it can be like secure. So yeah, so this is how it essentially then looks. So this is the wearable breast pump. So you'll be putting it inside your clothes. Then it sits like this while you're doing your bit. It's kind of like pumping out some of that milk, and then when you've got the milk, you can pour out. So obviously, because baby's still baking in here, we don't have the milk, but I'm just going to show you. I've charged this. So you got different levels of kind of, not necessarily, I don't think it's the same suction as the electric breast pump, but it's got different modes. So here it goes all the way up to P8. Let's drop it and see. And then up to P1. So depending, and then you can put the time, 10 minutes, 20 minutes of how much, and then you can collect the milk. Once you're done, pour it in here, and then you can secure the milk for the baby. So I'm gonna be taking this to the hospital because we want to get this done quite early. It doesn't make too much noise, so I quite like it because it's not very loud. Previously I used a different electric pump and it was a bit noisy. Frankly, it was annoying. So yeah. Where's the other one? This one. And then it's just the same bit as well, bits and bobs to just assemble and make sure that everything is secure. And then I can start again with the expressing so that we don't lose any kind of milk. So I'll be taking this Kissbobo to the hospital, and we'll be expressing and putting milk in the bottle so that the baby can also enjoy the milk. And yeah, all right, that's all we got for today. Thank you.
Press with your hand.